Good morning, dear children, and welcome to English class, dear children. Dear children, today we are going to learn about a new chapter of English. And what is the name of the chapter, children? Prem's Dream. Who have written this chapter, children? Nicholas Horsburgh. He is a person who has written about this chapter. Now, the first picture, if you will identify, children, the first picture is of a small house and a beautiful garden where the flowers are blooming. The bird is chirping. So, this is a small house and a greenery garden. Next in this picture, you are able to identify it is a hot sun. This hot sun appears in summer season. Can you identify this picture, children? Yes, in this picture there are small ants which are climbing on the tree. Now in the next picture, if you will see, the girl is nodding her head. How the girl is nodding the head? She is doing some actions, singing something and nodding her head. Like when your mother asks you, have you done the homework? So rather than answering from your mouth, directly you answer it. Directly you nod your head. After nodding your head, children, you will in this next picture you will identify that the boy is sitting under the tree. That the boy is sitting under the tree. And in this next picture you will see that the boy is climbing on the branch of the tree. Again in next picture you will see the boy is cutting the branch of the tree with the help of an axe. Axe is the tool which is used to cut the stem of the tree. Now we will focus on the lesson which is written by Nicholas Horsburgh. In this chapter, children, we will read one time the complete chapter and afterwards I will explain you. So, in this chapter, children, it is a hot day. Prem is in his garden. He is sitting under a banana tree. It has big leaves. Prem is counting ants. They are climbing a dead tree. 1, 2, 3. Prem is nodding his head. He is closing his eyes. Is Prem thinking? No, he is not. Is he counting ants? No, he is not. Is he sleeping? Yes, he is. Soon, Prem is dreaming. He is making a present. It is for his mother. Now we will turn the page. Prem is climbing the dead tree. He is sitting on a branch. He is chopping it with an axe. Prem falls down. Prem shouts, ouch, ouch, ouch. Prem wakes up. The ants are beating Prem. Now he is dancing and shouting and running. And he is telling, ow, ow, ow. Okay. Now children, we will learn about this lesson. Now I will explain you about this lesson. See children, there is a one boy whose name is Prem. And the day is very hot. And Prem is having a good, beautiful garden in his house. And after in this garden, he is having a very big banana tree. And children, in this banana tree, the leaves of the banana tree are very big. So, the big leaves are there of the banana tree and he is sitting under the banana tree. And as in the next picture, he is sitting under the banana tree. Next to banana tree, we have another tree where the ants are climbing. Are you able to see here the small ants which are climbing on a dead tree? Dead tree means a tree which doesn't have any leaves, only the branch is there. No leaves are there, that is a dead tree. And he is counting the ants. How he is counting the ants? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, like this he is counting the ants. And after counting the ants, in this picture, if you will see, he is nodding his head. One time he has nodded the head for counting 1, 2, 3, and afterwards he is closing his eyes. Afterwards he is closing his eyes. And in this picture, if you will see, is Prem thinking? He is not thinking anything. Is he is counting his hands? When he is sleeping, he is counting his hands? No. Is he sleeping? He is sleeping. He is not counting hands. He is not thinking anything. Only he is sleeping in this picture. And afterwards, when he sleeps, he is dreaming. Dreaming मतलब ये वो सपना देख रहा है. क्या सपने में देख रहा है? कि वो अपने मम्मा के लिए प्रेजेंट बना रहा है. प्रेजेंट मीन्स नथिंग बट अ गिफ्ट फॉर हिज मदर. नाउ वी विल टर्न द पेज एंड इन दिस यू विल सी प्रेम इज क्लाइंबिंग द डेड ट्री. और वो प्रेजेंट बनाने के लिए वो एक डेड ट्री जो थी जिसपे एंट्स चल रही थी, उसके दूसरे वाले ट्री पे जाके वो क्लाइंब कर रहा है. एंड ही इज सिटिंग ऑन द ब्रांच एंड ही स्टार्ट्स चॉपिंग विथ एन एक्स. और वो ब्रांच के ऊपर बैठने के बाद वो ट्री को, जो ब्रांच है जो ट्री का, उसको चॉप कर रहा है. किसे चॉप कर रहा है? एक्स से वो क्या कर रहा है? वो चॉप कर रहा है. क्या बनाना है उसको? मम्मा के लिए प्रेजेंट बनाना है, गिफ्ट बनाना है. जब वो चॉप करता है, व्हेन ही स्टार्ट्स चॉपिंग विथ एन एक्स, as soon as he falls down and he got a crack, he falls down as he was chopping with an axe the branch of the tree, so he fall down. And after falling down from the dead tree, he used to shout. How he used to shout? Ouch, 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 like this he was shouting. And after shouting, he wakes up and he saw that ants are beating on his hands. See, the ants are beating to Prem. And as soon as the ants are beating, he used to shout and he used to dance. Why? Because the ants are beating, so he's moving here and there. He's moving his hands here and there. And he used to start running so that the ants should not come and again beat to his foot or anywhere. So he starts to shout, he starts to run, and he used to dance. That why the ants are beating me. So this is all about Prem's dream, children. Now read the lesson at your home one time and write the questions which are given in the PDF form in your class group. Till then, take care. Bye bye.